How are you guys? Hope you are all fine. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the real splash screen in iOS using Flutter. So let's get started. First of all, it's very simple to add this splash screen. First of all, open your Xcode and from the files go to runner and then scroll down Flutter and then runner. You have to open the runner folder. In the runner folder you have to open the assets.xcassets. Okay, now you have to add the three pictures according to the sizes 1, 2x and 3x. Just what you have to do, drag and drop the pictures. I have dropped the three pictures here. Now first you have to click here and then you have to drop the pictures here. Okay, now what you will do, click on the launcher storyboards. Now you can see the launcher icon. This is the launcher icon which I used here, Artista. Okay, uh, now what you can do with this, you can change the aspects fit. Now first you have to change it to aspects. It will be scale, you have to change into aspects fit. Okay, now you can change the color with this, and you can change the color like this, and you can also, okay, I will black color, use the black color. Now that was how you can change the splash screen. Now when you run your project, it will appear on your in your app. Okay, let's wait for building. That was a simple step how you can add the splash screen to your Android iOS app. Let it run. Wait. Building 6 of 11 tasks. Now you can see the launcher icon appear on the app. Hope you like my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and share with friends. Thank you.